Shiba Inu takes the top spot among the leading ERC20 tokens despite the latest fall in price. The whales are securing the most out of the Shiba Inu dip by adding more and more SHIB tokens to their portfolio. Recently, another whales purchased 71 billion tokens in this recent price drop. Shiba Inu is the most purchased crypto by whales, surpassing Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other cryptos' lead coins. How many tokens each whale is securing? Why whales are adding more SHIB tokens? What is coming next? These questions will be answered today. We will also analyze if this is a good time to invest in Shiba Inu coin or not. So stick around for that because today's video is full of upcoming SHIB updates. So let's get started. Everyone wants to get good profit in the last quarter of this year. Many of us already got enough profit from Shiba Inu in October in the second quarter of 2021 and mainly in August month. Still, many SHIB holders are holding millions of tokens expecting that Shiba Inu will cut a few zeros out from its price and will give good return. If you are one of those holders are planning to buy Shiba Inu dips, then this video is for you. According to Watcher Guru, the recent pullback of Shiba Inu meme token might have inflated concern in some trading communities. But the large cryptocurrency market professionals, also known as whales, do not seem to be worried about the recent price action. Recently, Shiba Inu got bounced when a massive whale purchase was observed. This purchase was of 171 billion SHIB tokens of worth over $8.5 million. This news has been reported by Whale State through a tweet. According to this tweet, this whale is all new. No such big pass-through transaction was reported in this wallet address. It is interesting to note that not all 171 billion tokens were purchased in one go. Whale purchased 125 billion tokens initially of worth $6.2 million. After few hours, he decided to purchase more and loaded his wallet with over 43 billion SHIB tokens of worth $2.3 million. What do you think about such massive purchases? Do let us know in the comment section down below. But is this a good news for Shiba Inu? Will this help Shiba Inu to hold its price or pump more? Yes, with an increasing number of whales on the market, retail traders will no longer constitute the majority of the market and whales. In contrast to small traders tend to hold their position until a new highs arrive. Further, few days back, according to whale state data, the Shiba Inu coin has the maximum number of whales and massive average holding. Each SHIB whale on average has purchased over 20 billion SHIB tokens worth $1.1 million. But the major question is why whales are buying more and more even in this downtrend of Shiba Inu price. To understand this, let's check the history of purchases done in this month and the amount associated to each. During the first week of November, it was reported that a mysterious whale purchased around $750 million worth of SHIB coin in 10 days. The whale religiously filled his wallet from October into the first week of November and purchased SHIB 7 different times. However, the identity of the whale remains to be a secret. It is not known if the buyer is an individual trading platform or business entity. Anyway, the identity of the whale is not confirmed and the transaction remains unidentified. Also, during the first week of November, an anonymous whale purchased 40 trillion SHIB coins worth $2.78 billion to 4 different wallets. The wallets in question have no previous history of transactions and the transactions were all new. Moving further, a few days ago, a mysterious whale transferred 20 trillion SHIB tokens worth $1.1 billion. This is somehow the biggest whale movement across Shiba Inu in 2021. To be specific, the whale transferred over 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from Crypto.com and moved it to an anonymous wallet address. The interesting fact is even the best of whale watcher were unable to trace the wallet address where the tokens were moved to. The increasing number of whales is usually considered a good sign for an asset since large traders and crypto investors are the ones who control prices on the market and can change the direction of the price trend. However, there is another biggest news for Shiba Inu holders that Shiba Inu become largest ERC20 holding among top 1008 wallets. Yes, as per the tweet done by Whale State, Shiba Inu breaks through the smaller altcoin to regain its top among the most popular ERC20 tokens. After a strong 50% market correction, Shiba Inu lost part of its capitalization and, more importantly, popularity among Ethereum whales that decided to shift attention to other tokens that they seem to believe have a growth potential greater than SHIB, Best, OKB, and Crow. But still, the major question that is in everyone's mind is, will SHIB hit one cent? To hit 1 cent is difficult but not impossible. What if we reduce the token supply and burn massive tokens? Well, in that way, it is possible to cut few zeros out of its price or even hit 1 cent. According to our prediction, Shiba Inu can easily cut a few zeros out of its price worth a Robinhood listing and hit 1000 Satoshi units easily. As burn press will take time, but it is confirmed that SHIB is going to bounce soon in this quarter. Once this burn executed, the price of Shiba Inu will increase exponentially. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.